Welcome to Kiss in the Kitchen. We have a really great, super quick top tip. Have you ever run out of caster sugar when you needed it for a recipe, or even icing sugar when you needed it for a recipe? My top tip is take some regular granulated sugar. I have 100 grams here. I need 100 grams of caster sugar. Caster sugar is actually granulated sugar, but just a little bit finer. So I'm going to take my 100 grams, I'm going to blitz it in my little blitzer and show you it turning into caster sugar. So we literally will plug in. Apologies for the noise now. Give it a couple of pulses. And if you look at the texture, it is quite different, and it is looking much more like caster sugar. So, as you saw, we had maybe 2 to 3 pulses. I'm going to give it a couple more pulses, and we will go from the slightly finer caster sugar texture to icing sugar. So bear with me again while we set the blitzer off. And now if you look, it looks like a very fine powder. So this was us with icing sugar, and that's what we looked like with caster sugar.
2, 3.
So, as you saw, 2 to 3 pulses of the granulated sugar turns it to caster sugar. A really good blitz turns it to icing sugar. 1 bag of sugar, granulated sugar generally is so much cheaper than both caster and icing, and you have all 3 available to you. And top tip with both your caster sugar and your icing sugar, if you want to turn them into vanilla sugar, just get a vanilla pod, pop it into a container with your sugar, make sure it's airtight, and you can have vanilla sugar too, which they charge you lots for. Okay, thank you so much for joining me for a top tip with Kiss in the Kitchen. See you soon, sweetie.